I'll be showing you how to make a little story on Scratch. In the meantime, I'll also be showing you how to put on a backdrop and how to get a sprite on your screen. Let's begin. First, you search up Scratch as always. After you go into Scratch, you have to, then there's going to be the sprite on your screen. You could exit out from here. Now, at the very bottom corner, there's going to be this thing that says choose backdrop. You click it, then there's going to be all types of different backdrops. I'm going to be doing neon tunnel, and I'm going to do a city at night, and then my last backdrop is going to be a galaxy. Then if you want, you could upload from your computer too, from right here. I'm going to moonwalk. Then you could press backdrop, and these are all your backdrops you have. Neon tunnel, night city, galaxy, and moonwalk. If you want, you could erase the first one. It's blank, so you could erase that one. Then you go to code. Then you go to this little cat, and there's a plus outside of it at the very bottom corner next to that one too. Then you click it. Then you get your two characters. I'm gonna make two friends on the space adventure. It's gonna be a bat and a something weird. I want to do a ghost. Let's do that. 50. That's too much. 50. Then you put them like that. If you want, you could move 10 like that, and you go to events. Then you click this. There's going to be one at the top that has a green flag on it, and then when you click the actual green flag, it goes and that's how you make it turn. But today let's do it about how to change the screen. Let's do a little button on our sprites. Let's do button number 1 at the very top corner. And then this button is going to control how to get to the next backdrop. And then you go to events, and then it's going to say, the third one, it's going to say when the sprite clicked, and then you put that next backdrop when the sprite's clicked. So, and then when you click the green button, it goes to the next backdrop. So the story is going to be two friends going on an adventure to space. So first they go in this maze. Then let's add stop all sounds. Let's do step 10 times backwards. Let's turn around like that. Backwards. And let's turn you around like that too. Because they're in space, so it looks weird. After that, you put a 10, click, and then go to events. Then when clicked, then there's this little trick that if you want to do it to the other one, you just do this. Now when you go to this one, it has it too. Now I don't want that. Okay. Oops. They're going to be right next to each other on the side of the wall. And then they're going to take 20 steps and 20 steps. Then they're gonna land here in the story. They're gonna keep walking forward. Now they're in the galaxy. And the next thing they see is a man on the moon. I bet they're the first bat and ghost on the moon. I hope you enjoyed my story and I hope you learned a lot from this. And one more thing, I hope you like, share, subscribe. Bye guys, see you on the next video.